How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. So all you have to do is go here directly to your settings, and here all you have to do is to look for general here. It's actually above control center. Click on general. So to be able to turn on your screen mirroring on iPhone is you will not see a specific word that says screen mirroring, but instead iPhone or like Apple has a new version of it. They call it AirPlay and handoff. So you tap here AirPlay and handoff. Basically, you'll see automatically AirPlay. That would mean that automatically screen mirroring. So tap on that. And then if you want to have the ability or like you want the application to ask permission first before connecting to your Apple TV or something, then tap on ask. But if you want that to connect automatically, then all you have to do is to choose automatic. But for me, I want to use the ask option before. I would like it to ask my permission first before they would connect it to an Apple TV or screen mirror it to an Apple TV. And basically, that is it. And that is how you turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. If you click go here, you will see the screen mirroring options then, and then those devices that you want to screen mirror or to share your screen with will pop out there. And basically that is it. That is how you turn on screen mirroring on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.